Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Back to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you guys a specific problem that we have with the Dodge Journey. We have airbag light on and a specific code. This is for the right side, okay, satellite acceleration sensor. So stay with us guys, we'll show you what's happening today. A little bit windy at the shop, so if you hear weird noises, okay, that's what it is. Can't control the mother nature. Now, if I start the car guys, okay, check out what is happening now. Airbag light will turn on, turn off, and then it will come back on and it just stays on all the time, which is very annoying, right? So what is causing that now? Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn the car off. Turn the car off, turn the ignition only to run position without starting the car, so do not press the brake pedal when you're turning the ignition on. We'll be using Maxicom guys. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. In addition guys, on that Dodge Journey, we have more than 200 videos, so please subscribe. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can here at the shop. Now, check out how many cars, okay, you can diagnose with that computer. It's amazing. So, let me go back because I accidentally clicked Hyundai. If you guys are serious about diagnostics, about fixing your vehicle yourself, get one of those. It will pay itself off in 1 or 2 time uses. I'll click VIN detection. You can read and delete the codes from every computer system in your car, which is a great advantage, and they're constantly adding new models through updates. Okay, it's going to tell us that we have a 2012 Dodge Journey now. Yes, now we're going to select Diagnostics, Control Unit, Body, Airbag. Perfect. Now we're going to go and read the codes. Check out, okay, what the code will say now. U11B0, U11B0 lost communication with right side satellite sensor. The fact that it says active, it means that it's still stored, it's still in the system. Okay, it's an active code, it's not something that was in the past and it wasn't clear. So, what we'll do guys, now, from that point on, you have to have your car battery disconnected at least 1 hour before the messing with the airbag system, modules, sensors or anything like that. First, I wouldn't recommend it only if you're a professional qualified to do that, but if you're not, okay, that's fine. So, you consider that an entertaining video. Okay, consider that an entertaining video more than how to, but we'll show you how we fixed our problem. Right here now, okay, if you open the door, okay, next to the belt, that's your satellite acceleration sensor for that code. It's right next to the belt. Sometimes guys, it's that either that cable being loose, having dust, moisture build up, okay, or the sensor being bad. In our case, we just had a little bit of dust here, probably humidity got in it. So what we did, we unhooked it, clean it, okay, remove the sensor, clean it as well, and then we install the cable. Okay, like that. Listen now, clicks 1 time, and then install the locking plate. Perfect. Now, we didn't disconnect our battery. You shouldn't do that. Okay, we just, as you know, our videos are not edited, everything from start to finish, but I don't want you to watch guys for 1 hour without the battery being connected. So I'll turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. We'll read the codes and see what will happen now. It will say that the code is stored, so that definitely fixed our problem. I will erase the codes now. Okay, we'll say that erase was successful. Read codes again. Nothing there. And if I start the car, check it out, airbag light is not on. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.